so another highlight of the auction, the next vehicle we're selling. Now folks, this vehicle, I just want to be full disclosure, this is not from Vicki Downing or Dan Downey. This is from Mary Alborn. She lost her husband. That was his car. Vicki and Mary are great friends, and she added into this auction. Now folks, this is a 1938 DeSoto, yeah, I'm waiting on just there, S5 Coupe. Folks, you talk about mint condition. It's got 5,800 original miles. It's got the Flathead 6-cylinder, 228 cubic inch, 93 horsepower engine. It's got the manual transmission.
Get on in there, old timer. You show them how to do it.
Now, folks, they even went as far as having it serviced before they brought it here this week. They had a mechanic go over it, make sure everything was good. Folks, the guy that started it, he was the previous owner of it. So folks, and for many years the car, the reason it has so low mileage, it sat in a museum, an antique car museum in Pennsylvania. So folks, that's how it's got such low mileage. Folks, it's got the original Chinese gold paint color. You can just look at it shine.
Check out that interior.
The interior's perfect. I mean, there's a car hard to fault. Just like the hot rod. So folks, there you go. You're bidding on that 1938 DeSoto S5 Coupe. You're bidding on it right there to go. What do you give on it right there? And I'll just take what do you get? Get 40,000 on it. 40,000. 40,000. What do you say? Give me 30 and let's go. 30,000 on that 1938 DeSoto. 30,000. Give me 20.
15,
15, 20. 15, 20. Now 25.
25.
25,000. I got 20. 25.
25.
25,000. 25,000. What do you say now? I got 20 now. They're now 25. 25,000. $25,000. I got 20 now. They're now 25. 25. 25,000. What do you say now? I got 20 right there. Now they're now 25.
25.
25,000. Where are you gonna find a cleaner one? That low mileage.
I don't know, but I'd venture to say there can't be another one like this around. It can't be. I mean, that's just unbelievable.
So folks, there you go. I got 20, 25. 25 down. What do you say now? 20 now. They're now 25. 25,000. 25,000. $25,000. Everybody looking underneath bid. 25. 25 down. What do you say now? I'll take 22.5. I got 20,000. 22.5. 22.5. 22.5. What do you say now? I got 20 now. They're now 22.5. Thank you. 25,000. 25. 25,000. 25,000. Where'd he go? I lost him. 25,000. I got 22.5. We get 25,000. Take a look at it. You can't fault it, buddy. 25,000. 25,000. What do you say now? I got 22,500. Where do you get 25? 25,000. 25,000. 25,000. What do you say now? I got 22.5. Now they're now 25. 25. What do you say, buddy? One more time. 25. 25,000. What do you say? I got 22.5. Now they're now 25. 25. 25,000. He's taking a look. What do you say, buddy? He's sitting down, seeing how it feels. Hey, buddy, you look good in that. Yeah.
Who what?
You look good in that. I got 22,500. What do you get? 25. 25. Thank you. 26. 26. You're out. 26,000. 26,000. What do you say now? I got 25. Now they're now 26. 26,000. 26,000. 26,000. What do you say now? I got 25. Now they're now 26. 26. 26,000. What do you say now? Either one of you guys. I got 25 down. Now they're now 26. 26,000. 26 now, what do you say now? I got 25 now, they're now 26. Yeah, 26, 27. 27, Patrick, 27. 27,000. I got 26 here now, they're now 27. 27,000. 27,000, what do you say now? 27, 28. 28,000, what do you say now? I got 27 now, they're now 28. 28,000. You're gonna bid, I just don't know when. I got 27 back there, 28,000. You want back in, buddy? 28,000. You got a little rest. 28,000. 28 down, what do you say now? I got 27 now, they're now 28. One more time, 28 down, what do you say now? 28, 29, 29,000. 29,000. 29 down, what do you say now? I got 28 now, they're now 29. 29,000. 29 down dollar, I got 28 now, they're now 29. 29,000. 29 down, anybody else? Hands up. One more time. 29 down, want to make sure you're done, Patrick. 29. 29 down, anybody else? 29. Now 30. 30 down. 30 down. 30 down dollar, I got 29 here now, they're now 30. 30,000. I want to make sure you're done. I got 29 right over here. Give me 30,000.
You just round it off, buddy.
30,000. 30 down dollar, what do you say now? I got 29 over here now, they're now 30. Anybody else? 30,000. 29 now, they're now 30 down, what do you say? One more time, 30. Anybody else? Hands up, 30,000, quick. 30,000. 29,000.